In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an estimate using QuickBooks Online. Whether you're new to this process or just looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through each step with ease. Let's begin by opening up Chrome. Once you have Chrome open, head over to quickbooks.intuit.com and log into your account. This will take you to your QuickBooks dashboard where all your financial data is housed. Now, direct your attention to the top toolbar or the left-hand menu where you'll find the plus new button. Click that. It's your primary gateway to creating any new transaction in QuickBooks, whether it's an invoice, bill, or in our case, an estimate. In the menu that appears, look for the option that says Estimate. Under the Customer section, click on Estimate. This will open a new window dedicated to creating your estimate. The next step involves choosing a customer. If your customer list already includes the client you're creating the estimate for, go ahead and select them from the list. If not, you'll need to add a new customer by entering the necessary details like their name and contact information. Ensuring this information is accurate helps keep your records organized and allows for more seamless communication. Next, you'll need to fill in the estimate details. Start by entering the estimate date and expiration date. These dates are crucial as they let your customer know when the prices are valid, giving them a clear timeline to finalize the deal. Then, add the products or services you're estimating. Be sure to include the quantity, rate, and a brief but informative description of each item. This transparency helps build trust and ensures the customer knows exactly what they're getting. For those who want to give their estimates a personal touch, QuickBooks allows customization. Scroll down to the bottom of the estimate and click on Customize. Here you can change the template design, adjust colors, and add your business's logo. If your business has specific needs, consider using custom fields or adding specific terms to the estimate. Personalization not only enhances the professionalism of your estimate, but also reinforces your brand identity. Before you wrap up, don't forget to add any additional notes or messages you might have for your customer. This is a great space to include extra information or special instructions that weren't part of the main estimate. Once everything looks accurate and to your liking, it's time to either save or send your estimate. If you're ready to share it with your customer, click Save and Send to email it directly. If you prefer to hold off sending it just yet, perhaps to verify details or get approval, simply click Save and Close to store it in your records securely. And there you have it. You've successfully created an estimate in QuickBooks Online. Following these steps will ensure that your estimates are accurate, professional, and easy to understand for your clients. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide enhances your bookkeeping efficiency.